Okay, you guys, so here's what I'm going to do is kind of walk you through your site builder page through Homestead and just kind of show you how to maneuver in and out and create your own web page. And so again, bear with me. I'm just going to kind of feel my way through this and try to be as natural as possible. So the very first thing, and you just kind of have to just click and go along with me, or just kind of watch this tutorial a few times to truly understand. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a blank page. And here it says white page, start from scratch. I prefer this one here. And I'll show you, and you'll be able to see why. So here we have a blank page. Has some boxes in here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill it. Now, as we're constructing or building our website, you guys, keep in mind that right here you have your edit, which is what we're on right now, and then you also have a preview. And the preview will always allow you to see exactly what you're doing. So right now, white is our background for our actual website. And so what I want to do is this green box here, I'm going to turn this into our actual web page, or you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. I'm telling you guys, if I can do this, anybody can. So that's our white box. I mean, our green box. And basically, we have the ability to change this. Now, I'm going to click on the preview so you can see what I'm talking about. So here's what everything kind of looks like right now. I'm going to go back. So I'm going to turn my background a different color. So I'm going to click on the white part here. Just simply click on it. Over here, if you notice, it has all the different colors. So where it says background right here, the color set to white, I'm going to click on this little tab here, and I can go in and change it to any color I want. So let's say I want to change my background to black. I just simply click black, and you notice everything turns black. And now I just simply click on this green box right now, and over here it shows my box is green. I want to turn that box to white. So this is what my web page will look like. It's going to have a background that's black, and then the actual page itself will be white. So I'm going to click on preview so we can see what this looks like. There we go. And remember, I'm just going simply back from preview to edit, preview to edit. So now all I want to do is start writing in this box. So here's how you do this. This little box here that says add text element, it looks like a T. Go ahead and click, left click there. And with this mouse, I can actually just kind of grab the tip of the box and click down and hold it down, and I can move my box anywhere I want. And as you know, there's writing already in there. So now, if I want to stretch this out for a title, I can just simply go over here to this part of the box. Again, just left click, hold it down, and then I can just drag it over. And now what I want to do is actually, this is where I'm going to put my title. So I'm going to go ahead and click inside the box and erase the text that's in there right now. And let's say I'm going to type in a little title right now. So I typed in work from home business with Miro Plus. So if I want to center it, I can simply go over here, and just like you do in Word documents with Microsoft Word, I just click where I want it to center, and now you see everything moved from to the side to the middle here. And let's say I want to change my font size. Just simply go up here, scroll down, I pick 18. There's my fonts bigger. Let's say I want to change the color. Go to red. There you go. So now there's my title. I clicked outside the box. Now I'm going to go back down to edit and preview. So click on preview again right here. There you go. Work from home business with Miro Plus. So cool. So go back to edit. Let's say I want to grab a picture or add clip art. I have the ability to do that. This little box here next to the T allows me to add pictures. So if I click on it, it says, do I want to grab something from my computer or the image library? So I'm going to click on the image library. Bear with me as it's thinking. And it asked me, what I want to type. So I'm going to type in a business person, so I can just see the type of images they have. And I'm not going to spend much time searching for. So let's say I'm going to take this one here. All I do is simply click on it a couple times here. Here it says, you want to add? I say yeah. So go ahead and click add. It's thinking, this page contains blah blah blah. Do you wish to display? Yeah. So go ahead and click yeah. And it looks like everything now is loading up here. So I'm just going to be patient. This is a large image. Basically, just go ahead and click yeah again. And you can always, so you can name your file. So if we want to name what we just added to our database, and you'll be able to go in there, and it's easier to do this, is simply type in, I type in BUS and then man, so businessman, hit OK. So that way if I ever want to go back or I change this around, I have the ability to go in and I can locate it much easier. So now I can move it wherever I want. Of course, it's a little bit bigger than what I want, so I can just kind of click here, drag it up a little bit, and it'll make it smaller. So now I have work from home, business with Marvel Plus, have a guy standing there, and I can click on preview and see what I've got. There we go. So it's starting to come along, and you're starting to see. So just like I added this text up here, I can do the same thing. But when I watch this, now I want to start, making my website and adding the subject or the body to it. I just clicked on right here the text box again, stretch it out a little bit, and now I can actually start typing away. And so again, you guys, I can basically, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what this looks like. So of course, let's just kind of act like all this is a full, 2 or 3 paragraphs here. You can see here at what I'm working with. So that's what I'm saying is, you guys, you can put all this together, and it doesn't take long at all. So go back and click on edit, and remember, let's say now you're looking at this picture and you're thinking, oh, I want to change the color of my background. All you have to do is click on the background color again, black, left click. Remember, we're going to go over here, and now I can click on this little box and change it to whatever color. Let's say I want to find something a little bit lighter. Here's one that's called sand. Click there. Now it's a little bit lighter. Click on preview again to see what it looks like. And it looks a little bit more warm. And so it's pretty amazing, you guys. I mean, you can be really creative with this. So I'm going to go ahead and go to log out, because I only have so much time on this particular tutorial. So I want to make sure I capture all the information. Okay, so I'll catch you at the next one.